In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Flipclock on your Windows laptop. First of all, open any internet browser and search Flipclock. Go to flipclock.com. Click on the image. Scroll down a little bit. Here you will see two software, one for Mac, one for Windows. Both are free. Download Flipclock software. Click on download. Open the downloaded file. Right click on the file. Click on extract all. Click on extract. Here is Flipclock software. Right click on the Flipclock software. Click on install. You will get this pop-up screen server. Make sure the Flipclock option is selected. Wait time. Set wait time 1 minute or 2 minutes. I will set 1 minute. Make sure the checkbox is on. Then click on apply. Click on OK. Now wait 1 minute to start Flipclock. After 1 minute, Flipclock will automatically start. Here as you see, Flipclock start automatically. That's how you can install Flipclock on your Windows laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.